Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a popsicle stick house. First, gather your materials. You'll need around 200 to 300 standard craft sticks, depending on the size of your desired house. A reliable craft glue or a hot glue gun is essential for strong bonds. Make sure you have a safe, flat workspace ready. This project is fun and allows for lots of creativity, so let's get started on building your miniature home. Now, let's focus on the foundation and walls. Begin by creating a solid base. Glue about 20 to 30 sticks together side by side to form a square or rectangle. For the walls, lay 2 sticks parallel, then glue sticks across them, alternating layers to build height. Remember to keep your walls straight and your corners at a perfect 90-degree angle for stability. Precision here makes a big difference in the final look. With your walls standing tall, it's time for the roof and some charming details. For a classic pitched roof, create 2 triangular frames and then cover them with sticks, overlapping slightly for a shingled effect. You can cut smaller stick pieces to form windows and doors, adding character to your house. Don't forget to personalize it with paint, markers, or tiny accessories to make it truly unique and inviting. Congratulations, your popsicle stick house is almost complete. The most important final step is patience. Allow all the glue to dry thoroughly, which might take several hours, especially if you used a lot. Once dry, your miniature masterpiece is ready for display. Find a prominent spot where it can be admired. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your crafting success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.